So how did you get on with your scarf? This is mine. I can't quite decide who is going to have it. It's quite cute on this dinosaur, right? Or it could go on this dog. Or how about this doll? This was one of mine when I was a little girl, super old. That's quite nice. I think I made it a bit wide in the end. My daughter wants it to go on this one actually, I think. So it probably is going to be hers. I don't know. Anyhow, it's very cute. Don't forget to fill in your workbook. Pop in there who you made it for. Did you make it for a grown-up in the end? For yourself? For a toy? I love how the stripes come out with this moss stitch, don't you? We've learnt a lot this module. It's been tricky. Reading patterns is super complicated. Did you notice that I put the written pattern in with the video for making the scarf? Did you have a look at it? What did you think? Could you understand it? If you found it tricky, you can go back and watch the reading crochet patterns video again, or just take your time. There's no hurry to be able to read patterns. There's plenty of video tutorials available these days, so you can make a lot of things just from video tutorials. I like to read patterns, takes me away from the screen, but it's not essential. Moving on to module 6, we're going to learn a new stitch and we're going to make another project. Can't wait to see you there.